Shaktivel wants to share about the third eye awakening process, the whole brain awakening. This is the biggest gift that the humanity has received in thousands of years. This is the biggest gift, the biggest blessing from the incarnation directly, which makes us all feel what it is to be accessing and exploring the possibilities of human consciousness. There has been a lot of discussions regarding third eye awakening, the whole mind activation, and the process that has been done by Swamiji to all of us. To be very honest with you, even now when I think about what Swamiji has done for us all in this Varanasi IA, I'm speechless. And the Shivoham process in Varanasi, along with third eye awakening, the completion processes, the initiations, this is just out of the world. This is top class. This is like having the first class ticket in the best airline available in the world and just taking off and just going to into the future with the confidence, the intention, the courage to reinvent and re-strategize your life. This opportunity, what Swamiji is giving us, the blessing, the inner awakening and Shivoham process together, this is just amazing, just mind-blowing. Shaktivel attended Cambodia Shivoham 21 days. Now I have come here with my family, wife Abhirami and son Shivdevan. I would like to say that in this Varanasi IA, I think something mystical and magical has happened. Never before in the history of mankind, an avatar, an incarnation has initiated so many people, adults, in just 21 days. It has never happened before. There is no recorded history. Even the entire human history, if you take, it has never happened before. I am very proud. I think we should all be very proud that we have been chosen by Swamiji. There is a lot of Shaktivel was thinking, I did Shivoham Cambodia IA, why I have to do another IA? So I took a DTA call for my wife and son. Then Swamiji was talking to me, I was only talking, and Swamiji asked, what is the obstacle? He asked mind or time or money or whatever. I said, only time, Swamiji. He said, for you or for your wife? And he asked, I said, then he asked, mind block for you or your wife? I was not understanding that question. But Swamiji has found out that secretly I was also cherishing that I should come to Varanasi IA. So Swamiji said, all of you come as a family, blessings. This happened on 4th of May. And I don't know from where things happened. Immediately we processed the entire formalities and we came here. And my God, the first day, 7th, when Swamiji entered the hall, where the Shivoham experience, the inner awakening, the third eye, everything started on that first day darshan, according to me, according to my experience, the first day. And we all were given beautiful flowers by Swamiji. See, we giving Swamiji something is different. But Swamiji giving flowers to each one of us, wow, such a joy. It's like Meenakshi, Lord Meenakshi and Krishna and Shiva roll into one and giving the flower of wisdom, third eye awakening, everything on day 1. And then saying, at the end of 21 days, you will realize what you have got. That's how I felt. And then one thing I want to really say that in this Varanasi IA, in this land, with Swamiji's presence, whatever has happened on in the last 20 days, literally, I am a Hindu, but Swamiji has allowed us to rediscover Hinduism. Sanatana Hindu Dharma. The heavy duty Hinduism that Swamiji showed us, the royal Hinduism. This is how Hindus live. And Swamiji also said, we are all living Hindus, wherever we come from, whichever part of the world we come from, whatever lifestyle we had, from now onwards, whoever has attended IA, this IA especially, are all living Hindus, and we should be all very proud of that. And I'd like to thank Swamiji, and I would like to say that in Varanasi, such a beautiful arrangement, all the Swamis, and then the food, my God, it is just mind-blowing. And then the kind of arrangement that has been done, it's really remarkable. I think only Swamiji can do all this for us in one place and time. Thank you, Swamiji. And I have understood that how important it is to spread the knowledge of Third Eye Awakening, the possibility that it even exists and where we can get it. And I think Inner Awakening will be the real graduation for any human being. So to spread this knowledge about Third Eye Awakening, the whole brain activation, and to continue the research, because Swamiji has done the research for over 2 years and he has given us the gift. So I feel it is my duty to contribute to the research activities, and I would like to commit with all integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching and causing that Shaktivel and family will be committing to donate $200,000 at Swamiji's lotus feet for continuing and supporting the research that is happening. Thank you.
Nityanandoham. You all know, for the viewers there, my name is Abhirami. I'm 32 years old, and I'm a part-time work-at-home mom, and a homemaker and a mother, currently residing in Mumbai. And so I want to share the experiences I had on the whole from the day one till now at Varanasi. So everybody is curious, what is this first time Inner Awakening and Shivoham? What is this whole combination that Swamiji is coming up with? This is the first time ever, and of course Cambodia was the Shivoham process alone, first time ever, and this is the first time Inner Awakening and Shivoham has been combined. What exactly happened? So I will put it this way. I felt that there were so many, Swamiji always says that Shiva is there in everybody, and that is the core you, the blissful you. And that is actually like this core within. And over our life, we keep covering it up with layers and layers of, a layer of root pattern, a layer of SDHD, a layer of fear, a layer of so many incompletions throughout our life. And we are just there without realizing. We are covering up so we don't realize what we are. And Swamiji, okay, we used to use this tool for Shivoham, but in a very methodolocal way. There is a complete science in the process that he has done. Very methodically, he had tapped slowly one by one, and then took us to the core inner space that we are. We are the blissful being. We are Shiva, and that's what was the entire process. So how every day was for us was, so the first day, there used to be, Inner Awakening used to be the first part of the day. So we used to be given, like finding out our root pattern, say that day. So what Swamiji used to do is explain to us how it needs to be done, how you need to complete with it, and list down everything and all those details. So I would call this whole process like a computer. We have so much files, so much garbage actually, so much patterns, everything in different locations, and we don't know where it is in our body, like where it is in our computer. And he has given us specific folders. He took the first folder, so this is a root pattern, so start putting stuff into it. So whatever we knew, we came up with that and kept filling that folder. But there's something unknown too, and he knows, it's only Swamiji who can help us do that. And that evening, every evening, he used to give, through his beautiful, the Shivoham process is actually they showed a scientific reference, but I think it's beyond that. It is a spiritual way through which Swamiji takes us, uses his power, his cosmic energy, and through the yantras and mantras, imparts his biomemory. First clears us, clears our files, everything, and then imparts his biomemory, drops into our being, and helping us realize how much blissful we can be. So every process used to be first finding our the patterns and everything, and then the Shivoham process. So step by step, it was like a gradual curve, and slowly he cleared every single aspect of us, not leaving even one single dot, and finally came the third eye. Okay, we had to clear it step by step, and then comes the third eye. So the last, yesterday, the initiation, the final polishing, the final initiation, the final process of Shivoham, where he tuned us, polished us, and everything possible, chiseled, and it was a beautiful core happiness. I think everybody would have felt that feeling within you, that you have completely reached that spot here, that from here till here, the entire being rises, and once your third eye is awakened, the first thing that actually comes to your mind is, how do I reinvent myself? The reinventing is the most important thing about this. There are so many aspects, as the children and the adults beautifully demonstrated the third eye reading through the third eye. This particular reinventing, ultimate, finding out who we are, and that blissful state. And I can't thank immensely Swamiji and everyone for this beautiful experience in the presence of the Master at Varanasi. Thank you.